Okay, so you're probably facing an issue like such, or maybe one with a cooldown, or essentially one like this. What I'm facing is when I go into a YouTube video with an advert, you can see the advert is 15 seconds long. My ad block is not blocking the advert, but it is. But I have to wait for the entire advert to finish before I can actually start watching the video, which is not good. So what you want to do is, you probably want to remove your current ad block. Okay, yep, remove. Now let's go and add a new ad block. So what you want to do is type in adblock ultimate. Now in here you want to pick the one with the hedgehog, add it to Chrome, add extension. Now let it do its thing, should install, nice. Now if it doesn't work, it might be because you just need to restart your browser or your computer, but let's just go into a couple random videos that should have adverts on. As you can see, it still doesn't work, so let me just restart it quick. Okay, yep, so this has no advert, no advert, no advert, nothing seems to be having adverts. So, yep, try out this ad block, let me know if it works. And if you want more videos like this on future on how to block potential adverts, as YouTube is constantly pushing these new ad blockers to not work, and I will try to figure out a solution.